Hi, my name's Katie, and I'm one of the attorneys at the Liker Law Firm. When you're considering filing bankruptcy, there are a number of things considered. A lot to consider. A lot of them are going to be related to paperwork, but some of them are going to be life decisions that you might not think would impact your bankruptcy. One example would be the decision to relocate. If you're moving within a state, there shouldn't be any problems with your case being filed or anything like that. However, if you've retained an attorney, you do want to make sure that your attorney can handle your case after your relocation. So if you're moving across the state, your attorney might not be licensed in that district, or you could just be outside of the counties that your attorney serves. So you'd want to talk to your attorney about that. If you're considering filing bankruptcy and you may be moving out of the state, there are a number of factors to consider. First, you have to be a resident of a particular state on the day of filing to file in that state. So if you retained an attorney in Missouri and then moved to Kansas before your case is filed, you would have to find other representation. Not only do you have to live in the state on the day of filing, but you do have to live in that state for the greater part of the 180 days leading up to bankruptcy. So effectively, you have to live in a state for 91 days. If you have to file right away, you may want to consider filing in your current home state prior to moving out of state. If you have not lived in your current state for at least 2.5 years, there are some other factors to consider, including what exemptions apply. The rule is if you haven't lived in your state for 2.5 years, the exemptions that you would use are those of where you lived for the majority of the 6 months prior to the 2 years prior to your filing. Now, this is something your attorney can figure out for you. You just want to make sure that they're aware that you haven't lived in the state. If you have any questions or would like to set up a consultation to meet with an attorney, please feel free to contact us today. Thank you.